Good morning, children. Good afternoon now. Good afternoon, everyone.
Good afternoon, ma'am.
So are you all set for tomorrow's test? Any doubt, any confusion that you have?
Yes, ma'am, I have one doubt.
Yes, and Vesha, ask out.
Ma'am, in civics, chapter 1 is coming or chapter 2?
In civics, chapter 1 is coming. I have sent the message in the group to clear these doubts.
Okay. Thank you, ma'am.
Welcome. Anybody else has any doubt or any confusion?
Ma'am, in the civics chapter 1, the passage of the constitution, is it ma'am important?
Passage of the constitution means?
Ma'am, it tells about how the constitution was made and
everything is important, beta. When you have studied the book content, you can't leave anything, can't skip anything.
Okay.
So today what I have planned for people is worksheets for revision, right? So I have prepared one history worksheet and one civics worksheet, right? You have to do these in your fair notebooks. The history one would be done in history notebook and the civics one will be done in the civics notebook. Is that clear?
Yes, ma'am.
First you also have to write down the questions. You can't skip the questions. In the history, there are MCQs, right? In the history worksheet, there are MCQs. What is happening, Abhimanyu? Is it a joke going on here?
Sorry, ma'am.
Keep your camera steady. Right, kids? So what I am trying to tell you is that, in the civics one, right, which I am telling you. Yes, children. So in the civics worksheet, what I've done, in the history one, there are MCQs, right? For the MCQs, what you'll do is, you will just copy the question and you'll write the right answer. You will not copy all the options. Got my point?
Yes, ma'am.
Right? So for the MCQs, you'll not copy all the questions. You'll just write you'll not copy all the options. You'll just copy the right answer. Is that clear? Okay. So
Yes,
I'm going to share this one in your class group. You can check it out. I've shared already, right? If you open the class group, you can get to see that. Can you check this one? One is of history and one is of civics.
Ma'am, both have fill in the blank.
Both have fill in the blank so that it is an objective one. Right now, first you'll do this, and then what will we do is I'll share one answer key as well, so that you can check it as well. Because tomorrow you have your test, it could serve as a revision and extra questions as well. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
And in the history one, as we all know that history में NCERT is also important for us. So I've added certain extra questions. They won't come in the exam. Nothing out of the book will come in the exam. But what we have to do, make sure is that if you don't know the answer of them, that's fine. You can write down the questions and then I'll share the answer key. With the help of the answer, you can write those answers. It's just for extra knowledge. Nothing out of the book will come in the exam. Everything will come from the book only. Right?
Excuse me, ma'am.
Hanji.
Ma'am, in history there are many dates. So, ma'am, main dates will come or all dates?
The major dates, not all the dates, the major events, right? Those only have to be prepared.
Okay, ma'am.
PDFs are not opening.
PDFs are not it's not a PDF, it's a work that one. My screenshot will if PDF is not opening. Aditya, can you access this one now? Check it out.
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am, all maps will come na? All maps.
All maps will not come, only one out of those maps will come.
I mean that we have to run all the maps.
Yeah, from them, any one map can come. Now, can you access these? Aditya?
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am, can you tell what was the role of drafting committee?
Maintaining committee. See,
Yes,
everybody was
committee.
sitting in the assembly. They were discussing what is to be done, what is not to be done. This should be added, that should be added. But for example, there's a meeting going on. In the meeting, people discuss a lot of things, right? But there are one or two people who jot down these things, right? So the drafting committee has drafted the constitution. जितने भी discussions हुए, जो भी बात हुई, उन सब चीजों को एक बुक की फॉर्म में फाइल करने का काम किसका था? ड्राफ्टिंग कमेटी का.
Okay, ma'am.
उन्हें जॉट डाउन करके सही से एक फॉर्मेट में लिखने का काम ड्राफ्टिंग कमेटी का था. कैसे शेड्यूल्स आएंगे, पहले क्या आएगा, बाद में क्या आएगा, लाइक दैट, इन अ सीक्वेंस, इन एन ऑर्डर. This job is done by the drafting committee.
There was one, 2, 3 lines. The member moved 7,635 amendments. Discussion on 2,473 amendment motion was held. मतलब इनमें से इतनी का वो हुआ था डिस्कशन इन पे.
yes.
Okay, ma'am.
मोशंस किए गए थे, मतलब होता है एक मोशन पास किया जाता है पार्लियामेंट में, जब डिस्कशन होता है कि ये चेंज होना चाहिए, ये चेंज होना चाहिए, उसके बाद जो आप नंबर बता रहे हो, दैट मेनी चेंजेस हैव बीन डन.
Thank you, ma'am.
Any other doubt, anyone? Any other doubt, any confusion?
No, ma'am.
Chali, let's get started and please share your work in the group. Make sure to write down the date, right? Once you submit your sheets, then only I'll share the answer keys. Okay?
What we are doing?
The groups are open. I have shared 2 worksheets in the group, right? As a revision because we have our exam tomorrow, right? So that's what you do. And the notebook.
Yes, ma'am.
Chaliye. If you have any
Ma'am,
confusion,
if you ask the question,
yes, bache.
ma'am, if there's a question in question paper, basic features of our constitution, then ma'am,
You
how
will
many
write,
points we
you
should
will
write?
write as per the marks. If the question is of 3 marks, 3 points, 3 features should have been given. If the question is of 4 marks, 4 features could be given, right?
Okay, ma'am. We have to write questions.
Yes, you have to copy the questions as well.
Ma'am, but we don't have much time.
You have the entire day. Tomorrow you have test of SST only.
So yes, ma'am.
Okay, sir? And like I was telling you, right? We have to do extra like fill-ups in the notebooks now. So get into a habit of doing.
You are talking about this. I thought in exam you have to write question.
No, array, why will you write the
अरे,
questions in exam? क्या
Ma'am,
करना
I
है
was
बच्चे?
confused.
How? मतलब this is very unsafe question. Chalo, keep doing your work. If you have any doubt, any confusion, do ask me.
Ma'am, where was the Carnatic Wars question in the book?
What beta?
Ma'am, the ninth question, the Carnatic Wars were fought between British and the Dash. And this was not in the book.
I told you there are certain questions which are extra. For that, I'll provide you the answer key. Right? So these you can skip. Any doubts, any confusion, children? Any problems?
No, ma'am.
Ma'am, I have a doubt in seventh part. The dash system was introduced by Warren Hastings to streamline revenue collection.
Pardon? Beta, could you please repeat the question?
The dash system was introduced by Warren Hastings to streamline revenue collection.
It was permanent settlement. ये शायद अभी तुम्हारे इस चैप्टर में नहीं है. वो क्वेश्चन लिख लो. I'll provide the answers. ठीक है.
Okay.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes, sir.
Ma'am, there is one question. The dash is known as the father of Indian Constitution.
हाँ बताओ.
दाद है मैम, नाम है तो दा कैसे आ गया?
हाँ मतलब वहां का नहीं मतलब डैश कर लो उसको. अच्छा guys, you are clear about who was Nawab of Bengal and who was Nawab of Awadh, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Nawab of Bengal was?
Sirajuddaula.
Ma'am, Mir Qasim was also.
No, Iram. He's right. Sirajuddaula was Nawab of Awadh. Mir Qasim was a puppet ruler, right? He was not Nawab. Okay, मतलब नवाब बाद में से अपॉइंट किया गया था by the Britishers. Sirajuddaula was the Nawab of Awadh, Bengal, and Shujauddawla was the Nawab of Awadh.
Awadh.
When Sirajuddaula was defeated in the Battle of Plassey, then Mir Qasim was appointed as a puppet ruler by the Britishers, right?
Mir Qasim was appointed during he was there during the Battle of Buxar.
Yeah, he was there. He was there during the Battle of Buxar, but he was appointed after the Battle of Plassey. But when he was appointed, and they appointed him also as a puppet ruler, he was quite upset because he did not want to work like a puppet. उसको लग रहा था जब वो नवाब बनेगा तो उसको सारे नवाब वाले बेनिफिट्स मिलेंगे. बट ब्रिटिशर्स ने कोई बेनिफिट्स तो उसको वो दिए नहीं नवाब वाले. उसके बाद क्या हुआ फिर उससे उसने क्या किया वो वहां से भाग कर आ गया and he revolted against them, and that's how Battle of Buxar took place.
Okay, ma'am.
Yeah.
Ma'am, in fundamental rights, can we write other fundamental rights which are given in the book?
Other as in? There's
Ma'am,
seven
like there are
fundamental
other
rights.
there are 6 fundamental rights. 10 fundamental rights.
You write out of any of the
Duties,
six.
duties,
No,
duties.
duties are different, rights are different, bache.
Yes,
Duties.
I'm saying duties. Can
No.
we write another which are not given in book?
Huh, you can write another.
Okay, thank you, ma'am.